just on top of this gas.
What we ran today was a demonstration of our lab scale vacuum cycling nucleation unit. It's a novel new piece of cleaning technology that we're utilizing to clean parts using aqueous cleaners.
It's used to clean really complex parts that have like kind of nooks and crannies that are hard to get into. It creates a vacuum within a chamber where the parts needing to be cleaned are, and it's able to quickly release that pressure and bring it back, so it kind of sucks the soil out of complex parts.
It has a lot of potential to replace traditional methods of degreasing. In terms of its versatility, it is honestly unmatched in a lot of the technology I've seen.
We're doing research using this method because it is safer than, like, say, a vapor degreasing method. There's less emissions associated with it and less proximity to workers, so they're not as exposed as much.